In this lesson, we're going to see two ways of changing speed. The first one is coming up here and clicking on normal. And here you're going to find the slider for times, which means that right now is 1x, so it's the normal speed. And if you throw it up here, it's going to go up to 100x. So you can make the clip 100 times faster. And below, you're going to be able to see that the duration that previously was 84 seconds now is going down to 0.9. So you can actually change the speed based either on how many times you want it to be faster or how long you want it to be. And you can see that in the timeline also, the more I move here the slider, it's already going to show me how long the clip is going to be over there. So if originally this was the speed of the footage, if I crank it up, let's say here to 5x, now we're going to have something that looks more like this. But let's roll back to 1x here. And what I want to do now is that I want the clip to begin slowly at normal speed, speed up, and then slow down by the end to review the lake. So let's go here to curve. And now you can choose one of these templates in which if the curve is going up, it means a faster speed, and if it's going down, it means to be slower. Or you can choose to do a customized one. So let's click on one of the templates, for example, montage. And if I zoom out and play this, you're going to be able to see that also you can see it playing over here. And as soon as it reaches the first key point over here, it's going to start speeding up. And you can see it on the preview panel there. It's going to reach the maximum, which is set to 10x over here. It slows down, reaches the second point in which it's almost stopping. Then it begins to speed up again. You can see the curve over here. And it's going to go back to the normal speed. The normal speed being the stronger dashed line. Now here we have to be a little bit careful, because if this footage wasn't shot meant to be in slow motion, slowing down below 1x means that it's going to be a little bit choppy. As you can see here, you can see that there are these small jumps in the scene that doesn't look very cool. So in this case, we cannot have the speed below 1x. So let's just drag this up here, and you can drag both parts separately and they will snap together. And we'll just keep everything at minimum 1x. Let's put this here, here, and here. Okay, so now we're not going below 1x. So if your footage is like mine here, there's still hope. You can click in this small box over here called Smooth Slow-Mo. And what it's going to do is that it's going to take all the footage that is below 1x speed, and it's actually going to try to create the frames in between to make it look fluid. I applied it, let's see how it looks. And it looks way better than before. Okay, so this is how you edit a template, but let's do it also manually. Let's go here to customize, and here the line is completely flat, you're gonna do it manually. We already have some key points defined over here, so let's use them. Let's say that in the beginning here, we're gonna keep at 1x, then we're gonna speed up. I'm just gonna throw it up here up to 10x. Let's say that this one here in the middle, I wouldn't care much, so I don't want it. I can come here and I can click the minus button and just delete it. And I can come to the second one, and let's say that I still want the high speed to come up to here. And this is the point in which I want the footage to begin slowing down until it comes back to 1x. So let's see how it looks right now. It begins slowly, speeds up to 10x, passes all the clouds, arrives to the lake, and then starts to slow down. And if you want to change it, for example, if you think that it's slowing down way too late, you can just drag these ones to the left, and it's very easy to drag these because they're already attached, they're snapping to the line. So now you would have it very fast here, and by here it would be already at normal speed. Anyway, this is for a landscape video, but if you're talking about a normal video of a person talking, for example, and you just wanted to speed it up a little bit, and let's say that I just want it to be 5x the speed, and now it's way faster, and you still have one option here, which is the voice tone change. By default, Capcut will not change the voice tone. So come here, let me tell you not one, but if you want the voice to change just like a cartoon, you can just click it here.
So come here, let me tell you not one,
and now you're gonna be able to listen to that very thin voice. Depends on what you wanna do. Okay, that's it about speed. Let's talk a little bit about audio in the next lesson.